Well, hello YouTube and welcome back everyone. So I'll stop it when it comes back around, but this is the same one we were running in the last video. And I was working on another one of the rail cars. It's a flat car. Let's stop it and take you off the tripod. And that flat car with the concrete on it, that's the one I was working on yesterday. And I tried to make it look like it's tied down, strapped down. So we'll do the same thing to these two as well. So this one and this one, I'll do the same thing. All right, and then just a minute ago, I just reached underneath the train set, the layout, and I pulled out another box. Unfortunately, it's the last two that I have under there. So bear with me. We'll let this continue to squeal. I don't know why it started doing that, but I'd like to say hello to my subscribers. Welcome to new subscribers, and I hope everyone enjoys it's a short video also. So we'll let that go around for a second while I get these two boxes ready. Well, alrighty, you've watched that long enough. And the squealing has calmed down a little bit too. So let's go over to the work table. Okay, so here's one. I've already opened it. I just didn't take it out. And it is the Silver Streak caboose. So we'll add this to the collection with the Silver Streak. And so that's that one. And let's get this last one. I gotta get my knife. It's not easy opening it with just with one hand while holding the camera, but I was able to get it. This one, I don't remember what it is. This one's been under there for quite some time too. Okay, I do believe I know what it is. Hold on. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. So, remember, couple of episodes ago, I had said that I had ordered a couple of these to go with that other one that I had. So, and these ones are actually better than the ones that other one that I have that's over there that needs to be worked on. But yeah, I do believe this is the dummy, non-powered, but it is heavy. And this one appears to be the powered one. So the Southern Pacific, and I don't know who they're made by. But they're going to need couplers. This one, the non-powered, doesn't have a coupler on the back or the front, so that'll be something to do. So this is, whoops, I'm sorry, I just took the camera and just moved it real quickly. So that's the non-powered one, no power. All right, let's try that. Let's grab the other one. I hear it trying. Neither one of them are powered. Yeah, I should have checked these out right after I got them, because I do believe the seller said that one was powered and one wasn't. And neither one of them are moving, and you can hear that one moving. Well, with that being said, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Well, alrighty. Everyone have a blessed day. See you later, and bye for now. Take care.